Hi guys, so today we're gonna do an easy fall makeup look for today's tutorial. I did a really full glam makeup tutorial like a few weeks ago, so I'm just gonna link it down below for you guys if you guys want to see. Today we're gonna do another fall makeup look, but really easy, really simple, really like everyday, let's say, for fall. And yeah, I'm super happy to do another fall makeup look. I'm wearing my bigger sweater today, even if it's like 30 degrees outside. The weather's been so weird this week. Like a few days ago it was only 15 and today it's like 30 degrees. But for the sake of this tutorial, I just thought I would put a big sweater. Yeah, so and sorry if my voice gets raspy throughout the video. I just woke up, and usually that's when I film. It's when I wake up, it's just easier for me because that's when I'm thinking about stuff, you know. So yeah, let's just get into the tutorial. You guys can see it's really easy. It's almost like an everyday makeup look, but more grungy looking for fall. So yeah, it's super easy. So yeah, I'm just gonna start right away. I'm gonna keep in mind that usually during fall, my skin is more dry. So what I'm gonna do first is moisturize my face. So what I'm gonna use first, my Hydra Genius moisturizer. I use the one for oily skin because even if my face is more dry, it's still oily. So I only use like one pump. And even one pump sometimes feels like it's a lot. So next, to prime my face, I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Mattifying Primer. So I'm just gonna use it wherever I get really oily. Even if my skin is more dry during the fall, I still use that because I do get oily anyways. It's just not as bad as the summer months. And I'm gonna use another primer, the Smashbox Smoothing Primer, just because, like I said in my last video, this one kind of makes everything smooth and it makes my foundation not crack. Because if I put just only the Makeup Forever, it does make my foundation just crack. So this one makes it smooth and everything looks flawless. So for my foundation today, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. I'm in the color 111 Soft Sable. I'm gonna mix it with my 340 Fit Me by Maybelline, just so it's not too matte because I want it to be a bit dewy, just to make sure I don't look too dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this one mostly in the middle, and the other one I'm gonna put it like mostly outwards. And I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge. I don't really like it, but I threw out the other one, so that's all I have for today. So I'm just gonna blend everything. Okay, so I fill in my brows with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony. They're gonna give me a hard time. Like, this one is thicker and I don't know why. Maybe it's just the way I plug them, I don't know. So I'm just gonna clean them up right now, and I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm gonna do my under eyes and everything. I'm not gonna use much because I don't feel like using a lot today. I'm just gonna blend everything with my sponge. I really don't like this sponge. It's ugh. It kind of just soaks up your product, so you left with like little to no coverage, and then whatever's like inside, if you press too hard somewhere else, it's just gonna gosh all the product somewhere else. It's like, and it's really spongy. I know it's a sponge, but it's really spongy, so you're like all the time. I don't know. Like, I go back with a brush after. So make sure there's no streaks. Like, the only thing it's good for is to apply powder, and that's it. So I'm just gonna set everything, and I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier powder. For now, I'm just gonna set my under eyes just to make sure it doesn't crease. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna do like a really simple eye makeup look. So I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette, just because I want that transition color. And I'm gonna use a blending brush. So I'm gonna use this color first. Actually, I'm gonna mix the two, this one and this one. And I'm gonna put it in the crease. Next, I'm gonna use the same brush because I want it to be easy. So I'm gonna use the brown color that's there with the same brush because I still want it to be soft but with some dimension. So I'm gonna pick it up just a little bit, top off the excess. I'm gonna put it all over the lid. So next I'm just gonna take angle brush. I'm just gonna mix these colors, this one and this one, and I'm put it on the lower lash line. So next I'm taking a smaller blending brush, just like that, with nothing on. I'm just gonna swipe like this, just to make sure there's no harsh line. That's it. So next I'm taking eyeliner. Okay, so the eyeliner is really optional, and I did put some pencil liner. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bronze up my face. So I'm just gonna carve my cheeks a little bit. So for bronzer, I'm using my Bobbi Brown bronzer. This brush. So next I'm just gonna take off the excess powder like this. And I'm gonna put a bit of blush. I'm using a darker blush than usual today. It's by MAC, it's Sweet as Cocoa. It looks like this. It's a really nice blush. Next I'm gonna highlight. I'm using my Master Chrome highlight in Molten Gold. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the eyes. So I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara. I'm using my Voluminous Carbon Black by L'Oreal. I'm gonna use it on the top and bottom lashes. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna line my lips with MAC lip liner in Cork. And now I'm gonna use my Too Faced Melted Latex High Shine Liquid Lipstick like this. This one is in the color Strange Love. It smells really good. So I'm just gonna set my face with the My Disco facial spray. And I'm just gonna add some Amrezy highlight on top of the other one. Okay guys, this is the finished look. This is my everyday fall makeup look. It's not really everyday, like, I'm gonna be honest, it's not really everyday. Like, you can always take off the lashes if you guys want it to be more natural. But like I said, even the eye look, it doesn't have to be that dark. If you guys want it to be softer, you can just put less eyeshadow. But me, I really like it like this because I really like the brown color that it just gives me with the pop of highlight. And then the glossy lip just puts it all together with the shine and everything. Yeah, look at my highlight. So nice. Yeah, so I just put my hair in a bun to finish up the look, just to put it all together. And yeah, so this is the finished look. So yeah, if you guys like the video, just put a like down below. It would be really appreciated if you guys did that for me. And don't forget to comment, because I like your comments, you guys. Like, I really like your comments, you guys are really sweet. And don't forget to subscribe. All my new subscribers, hi to the family, and for the people that come back, I'm so happy to see you guys back. Watch my videos, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Can we appreciate this look? So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys, and yeah, have a nice week, guys. Bye.